and had a little bit of a hiccup. Not really. It was one of the hiccups of a sawmill where a blade has been sharpened, set and hammered, and it's not quite right. NQR. So we'll see how this one goes. Even though it might be a little slower, certainly cutting straight. Even do it like with one eye, you can see that. So welcome down here to the sawmill, steam driven. And the order of the day is some palings or weatherboards or whatever you want to call them, palings they're into. I was just looking at what we look like we're going to achieve. Sizing block. Common to get a traction engine. Generally, a traction engine was dropped down off its wheels and sat on blocks, but 9 times out of 10 it would be a portable, what we call a portable. There's a big portable you can see operating the 2 big flywheels spinning around up there behind the Australian flag there, and that actually came out of the Dunkeld sawmill. So that's exactly what it is. A big engine like that would be sitting in this position here and driving our mill. Of course, we've got our flywheel there, belt pulling, and our flat belt running up to a central point in the mill, and where all our shafting and belting runs off there, driving our trolley over the back to pull the logs into the breakdown tool, and then running our sizing bends right here. So, as you can imagine, ladies and gentlemen, on a 40-degree day, very, very hot, very, very lively, a shade, possibly some direct sunlight, but of course in the winter, very bloody cold. And of course a lot of these mills operated in areas where there was snow, and generally a mill like this operated really out in the bush.